let me take you through a key experience of Tally Prime. GoTo. Using GoTo, you can access quickly any business data, do any transactions, and conveniently switch between no matter where you are in Tally. Let us experience this through a business situation. You can see the GoTo button that is placed in the top center of your Tally Prime. Let us say you are an owner of a company, Best IT Stores, and you want to analyze your company balance sheets to check the taxes to be paid for the business done in November 2019 period. Where do I go? Let me go to GoTo, and I just start typing in balance sheet. The balance sheet 1,18,558. Now I want to, as an owner, check the availability of cash that is there with me in my banks. Where do I go? Let me click on GoTo and write bank. I can see that the cash and bank book features in the available reports. Click on. I can see that I have 54,500 approximately money as cash, while in my HDFC bank account I have 7.5 lakh rupees, which is sufficient for me to pay my overdue tax bills. But I again want to validate. I want to further validate the tax calculations in GSTR 3B report. Where do I go? I click on GoTo and I type here GSTR. I can see that GSTR 3B reports is featuring in the list of reports. I click on GSTR 3B. It takes me to the GSTR 3B reports and its complete breakup. I can see that GSTR 3B report for the period of November tells me that I have to pay a tax of 1,775,000, 1,775 rupees, and there is an input tax credit eligibility of approximately 25,000. I can check the details of my tax liability transaction wise and just validate it that all my transactions are accurately captured and my tax liability is accurately estimated. User can discover any report like this through the option of GoTo. Isn't it easy? There are almost 400 plus reports available in Tally, which can be seamlessly navigated through GoTo. Once I click on the GoTo button, I can see it is broken up into two parts. The top part is showing action buttons. The action keys which will help me to see what all open reports are there. If I click on it, I see that these are the open reports I have already opened and I can very easily toggle between them. The other action keys help me create any voucher, any master, and helps me also take any transactions from any screen anytime. The bottom part of GoTo lists the various type of reports. For users, especially the owner's convenience, we have listed the common reports that owner typically uses, and then followed by other reports related to various modules of your business. Now, let's say I want to just try and see, I write payroll. So if I click on show inactive, it will tell me that what are the reports that are still inactive. In a sense, Tally guides me that these reports are still inactive and do I want to enable them. This is the power of GoTo. This table experience is consistent across the product so that the learnability becomes easier for the user.